Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Are there any other things that make birds sing? As a matter of fact, there is another thing. Sometimes we use all female birds.
You can do it. Come on, Reggie. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Roll over. You can roll back over. Yeah. Come on. You can do it.
I did it! I told you you'd get it. Great job. Well, you did a great job teaching me all about why birds sing. Hey, we're best friends. When we learn things together, the fun never ends.
Come on. You're almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're almost there. Come on. Push. Push. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You're almost there. Come on. You're doing it. Come on. Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Are you going to roll? Roll back over. You can do it. Yes, you can. Meow. Are you singing? Are you singing? You did it. You did it. You did it, didn't you? Yay!